like Sam, but Sam likes fishing, so she'll choose Richard for a fee. The doctor is busy, he's at the golf course,
but Nancy can't kiss it to make it 12.
Randy and Ann are always in trouble. Fred the beggar never feels very well. If you need help, the policeman is there. The lifeguard is watching over beach and sea. Come and fly to Cartoon Island. It's the only place to be.
What was it that the parrot said again?
He said, "I'll fall off my perch, you idiot."
What a rude parrot, huh? Surely Sam didn't buy that parrot for Lydia.
No, he didn't.
Well, I wonder then what he did buy.
Ooh, something very expensive.
But how will Sam be able to pay for an expensive present?
I guess Sam will have to get a job.
I guess so. But you still haven't told me what present Sam bought for Lydia.
You'll be surprised.
You again? Still looking for a present, huh?
Yes, I like the idea of a parrot, but I didn't like the parrot with the strings on it.
This is a very nice parrot. Gucci, Gucci, goo.
Well, the last parrot you showed me called me an idiot.
You idiot! You idiot!
I guess that wouldn't make a very good present for your girlfriend.
Certainly not. I don't want Lydia thinking I'm an idiot.
What about this parrot over here?
That parrot is too small.
What about this parrot? It's very special.
What's special about that parrot?
It speaks 3 languages. And it sings.
What languages does it speak?
It speaks English, French, and Korean.
Wow. The price tag says $500. That's too expensive for me. Can't you give me a discount?
No, I'm sorry. That's the only parrot on the island that speaks so many languages.
But I don't have $500. There must be something else.
You want me to tell Lydia that you don't think she's worth $500?
No, I don't want you to do that. But how can I pay for something when I don't have the money?
You'll have to get a job. Listen to this. I'll give you the bird now. You'll give me the money later.
Okay. I'll take the parrot. Can you deliver it to Lydia?
Yes, I'll have it delivered today.
Oh, I bet you she's just gonna love that parrot. Ooh. 3, 4, 9. She's gonna love it. Yes.
Hello?
Oh, hello, Lydia. This is Sam.
Sam, how sweet of you to call.
Did you get the present I sent?
Oh, this lovely parrot. It arrived this afternoon.
Do you like it?
Sam, I love it. I'm eating it right now. It's so delicious and it's so tender.
You're eating it. Oh, my goodness, she's eating the parrot.
You know, I didn't know whether to bake it or fry it or stew it. So I made a great hors d'oeuvre. Sam, it's the best bird I've ever eaten. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Oh, that was a $500 parrot. I haven't even finished paying for it yet. Oh, foul.
Come back soon to Cartoon Island, away to the sun and the sand and sea. Come back soon to Cartoon Island, it's the only place to be. There's no fishing on Cartoon Island, but there's a party almost every night.
There's so much fun on Cartoon Island.
You never want to go back home again. Come back soon to Cartoon Island, away to the sun and the sand and sea. Come back soon to Cartoon Island, it's the only place to be.